Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we will have a look at the new File Explorer in Windows 11. As you can see, when you first open the File Explorer, you will have a new set of icons for the default folders and the new icons in the top bar. If you click on New, you can add a new folder, shortcut, bitmap image. If you were using Microsoft Office, you can open a new Word or PowerPoint file. But if you were using LibreOffice like me, you can open a new drawing or presentation or spreadsheet or text file. You can also open a new WinRAR archive and a new text document. For example, I will open a new text document. If you select your file, you have the basic options to cut, copy, paste, rename, and here you can share the file. You can also click on delete. In sort, you can sort the list by name, date modified, type. In more, you'll find size, date created, authors, categories, tags and titles. You can also categorize the list by the lowest value or the highest value file. You can also group the list by name, date modified, type, size, date created, authors, categories, tags and title. In view, you can view the files as extra large, large, medium, small, as a list, details, titles, and content. You can also select compact view. In show, you can show the details panel or preview panel. You can also select to show items, checkboxes, and file name extensions like txt, pdf, and mp4. You can also show hidden items. In show more, you have undo, pin, select all, select none, invert selection. In properties, you have the same properties menu as previous versions of Windows. And in options, you also have the same options menu from previous Windows versions. If you right click on your file, you can copy, paste, delete. You can open the file, open with a specific software, compress, copy the path. You can also open properties. If you click on show more, you will see the classic show more menu, and sometimes this could be really annoying. For example, if you are trying to extract or compress a file, every time you have to right click, then click on show more, and then compress or extract your file. It's an extra annoying step. In general, what we can see about the new File Explorer in Windows is that it's different in terms of the look and the interface, but in terms of functions and usability, it's exactly the same. And so far, there are no big changes from Windows 10 other than the look and the interface. If you are interested, you can watch my other videos on how to customize Windows 11. All the links will be in the description. And if this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows 11 content. Until next time, bye.